Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions so you don't end up buying a mop that's just a glorified stick with a rag attached. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops, comparing the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim and the Kenmore SM2050. That's right, folks, it's time to find out which mop can clean your floors faster than you can say, "Where did that spaghetti sauce stain come from?" Let's kick things off with the price. The BISSELL Powerfresh is priced at $164, while the Kenmore SM2050 is a steal at just $89. That's right, folks, for the price of a fancy dinner for two, you could be cleaning your floors like a pro. Reviewers of the Kenmore appreciate its affordability and consider it a great value for the price. However, some users of the BISSELL mention that, while it is pricier, it offers more versatility and effectiveness in cleaning. But remember, you get what you pay for. So does the Kenmore come with a side of disappointment, or just a side of clean? Now, let's talk cleaning power. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria using the natural power of steam. Reviewers rave about its fast heating time and versatility with accessories, making it effective for various surfaces. Meanwhile, the Kenmore also boasts a 99.9% dust removal rate. Reviewers mention that while it is effective on floors, it may not be as powerful in disinfecting due to its design with only one steam jet. So if you're looking to kick germs to the curb, either one will do the job, but the BISSELL might have the upper hand in overall cleaning effectiveness. Next up, versatility. The BISSELL is a powerful handheld steam cleaner and steam mop in one, which means it can do everything from scrubbing grout to giving your clothes a quick steam. Reviewers emphasize its multiple uses, including cleaning kitchen counters, windows, and carpets. Meanwhile, the Kenmore is also a two-in-one handheld steam cleaner and mop. It can clean everything from floors to appliances, and it even tackles carpets, rugs, and upholstery. However, some users find the Kenmore lacks the same level of versatility and effectiveness as the BISSELL, especially for tougher cleaning jobs. Just remember, if you try to clean your car with it, you might end up with more steam than a sauna. Let's not forget about ease of use. The BISSELL comes with a 25-foot power cord, so you can reach those hard-to-get areas, like the back of your couch where you lost your sanity last week. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, but some mention it can become heavy over time. The Kenmore, on the other hand, has swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver around corners and under furniture. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design, but some express concerns about its short cord and inefficiency in certain cleaning tasks. So if you're the type who likes to clean while doing the limbo, Kenmore's got your back. Just don't blame us if you accidentally get stuck. Overall, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is praised for its cleaning power and versatility, making it a favorite among users despite its higher price. In contrast, the Kenmore SM2050 is appreciated for its affordability and lightweight design, but has received mixed reviews regarding its effectiveness and reliability. So which steam mop takes the crown? If you're looking for a versatile powerhouse and don't mind spending a little extra, the BISSELL Powerfresh is your best bet. But if you're on a budget and need a reliable cleaner that can do it all, the Kenmore SM2050 is calling your name. Remember, folks, whether you're Team BISSELL or Team Kenmore, the most important thing is to keep your floors cleaner than your ex's excuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all our future comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.